In this video, it's time to dive into Tiki culture with one of the most famous cocktails of all time, the Mai Tai. Known for its refreshing flavors of rum, lime juice, and orgeat, the Mai Tai has a storied history that's intertwined with Polynesian-themed bars and restaurants in the mid-20th century in America. And if you want to help me decide which cocktails to make next to my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share this video as I put out new videos and shorts each week. Like most drink origin stories, there's always one that's considered widely accepted. The most commonly credited is with Victor J. of Trader Vic's. Trader Vic Bergeron and Don Beach, or as Don the Beach Bomber, who were both pioneers in the Tiki movement in the United States. The Mai Tai's creation comes from Trader Vic in 1944 at his Trader Vic's bar in Oakland, California. According to Vic, the original Mai Tai was set to showcase the flavors of aged Jamaican rum. Since that original drink, this drink has been modified quite a bit, and I'll be showcasing more of a modern spin on it, which is a way that I personally love. So with that said, let's get to it because this drink has a lot of ingredients to make this special. Cheers. All right, to start this drink off right, I need some dark rum. While we're in the category of rum, I'll be using some light rum. The next ingredient I'm gonna be using is orange liqueur. In this case, I'm using royal orange. But you can use an orange curacao or some kind of triple sec if you want to use an orange that's on the cheap. The next ingredient you need to use is going to be orgeat. It's kind of a sweet, nutty, floral syrup. And the last ingredient you need to use is going to be freshly squeezed lime juice. I've already taken the liberty of freshly squeezing my lime juice, so I use these small little bottles for easy pour. And for garnish, I'm going to be using cherries, oranges, and limes. The tools I need for this drink are going to be a shaker set, a hawthorn strainer, and a fruit peeler. Everything I use in my bar, including in this drink, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'll be adding in my 1 ounce of dark rum. Next, I add in 1 ounce of light rum. Add in a ½ ounce of orange liqueur. In this case, I'm using royal orange. Now add 3/4 of an ounce of orgeat syrup. Now add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. It's time to add ice to my shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now strain everything over rocks glass, or in my case, I like these Tiki glasses filled with ice. Now it's time to peel some orange, and I peel some lime, and I spear a cherry, and garnish like so. And there you have it, a very islandy and very Tiki Mai Tai. Cheers. Wow, you can tell that there's dark rum in there. It is so good. I love this drink so much because it's a great balance of rum and fruit. That dark rum really comes out. You get that real pop of orange liqueur, but you can also tell there's lime in there. In my opinion, this is a very good balance of liquor and fruit. Either way, I'd love to read in the comments what your thoughts on this drink are. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I can't see who would hate it, but let me know if you do. And again, please consider supporting my channel as I put out new videos and shorts each week. The support means a lot. And on that delicious and Tiki note, find a great chair, sit back, and if you can go outside, I highly recommend it. Cheers.